make a circle of 6 centimeter radius. Then mark the points as shown. Mark 6 points. Join all the points and make hexagon. Then join alternate points. This point to this point. This point to this point. Alternate points. This will make a triangle. Then join other alternate points. This will make a star. Carefully look at the star and make every outer point of star, that is at the intersection of two lines. This point, these are all the outer points. Make lines from this point. Now you can see there is a point which intersects the straight line from the line you drawn. This is the straight line and this is the intersection point. So you have to put compass on that point and make the compass size to make semicircle. Put compass. Then draw a semicircle from every point. Now cut these lines to get a flower. You have to score these triangles which make star. Now you also have to score these lines. If you want to know how to do scoring, you can check the link I gave in description below. Now the lines is scored, you have to fold them. You can see I am getting clear fold. you also have to fold this. Now fold along the lines. You will get the envelope. Thanks for watching.